Good morning, trades. Obviously, we contend with the idea that we've still got the month end still to play. But this has really been an equity move that we've seen on the day. Part of that can be explained by the consumer confidence number we saw coming out of the US. That came out at 98.7. That was the weakest since February 2021. The expectation subcomponent of that coming out at 66.4. So again, very, very weak indeed at a time when the Richmond Fed numbers, manufacturing numbers dropped 19 points. And you can see that mark the highs in S&P futures. We were trading around 39.50 and it's just been one-way selling to where we are at the moment, as you see from the intraday tape. The NASDAQ even more ferocious. We saw that trading sort of the highs of 12,170 and it's dropped about 4% from that high to low situation there. Now you go into the rates market, there's been absolutely no move in fixed income or rates whatsoever. Now, part of that can be explained by John Williams, who's the New York Fed president. He sort of said that the July meeting is still debating whether we're going to get a 50 or 75 basis point hike. You know, you go into the swaps market, we can see about 70 basis points of hikes. So the market's still unwavering of that decision. You can go into the 2-year treasuries and see that trading 314, 307. There's been no move in treasuries whatsoever. We have seen break-even rates moving a little bit lower, and that's pushed real rates up once again. And of course, that's boosted the US dollar. The US dollar is working quite well, up about 0.5%. We're seeing good buying against the pound, against the euro, against the Kiwi. Certainly sterling's dropped, and we've seen a bit of flow there. That's traded 123, the figure, down to about 121.81. We've seen euro dollar trading just above that 106 level, finding sellers once again. Have a look at that 4-hour chart, and we sort of just push back into sort of the low 105s. We are seeing some sellers of gold, probably because of that dollar strength and the real rate move that we've been seeing. Seeing a bit of buyers in CAD and Swiss franc as well. And we are seeing some buyers of crude and gasoline as well. Interesting though that we are seeing a big widening of high yield credit spreads, about 31 basis points, which is certainly outperforming or underperforming the move that we've been seeing in equities at the moment. So it's an interesting tape that we've been seeing on the day. Certainly risk aversion kicking in because of this consumer confidence numbers, but it is an equity story and we should see Asia under a bit of pressure when that opens up today.